Looking at the Markets with David Modell. There's tremendous wealth being built right now in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the mining markets. Hi, this is David Modell looking at the markets. I've made money from cryptocurrencies and from mining stocks. I hope you have too. And the best gains, the biggest returns, I believe are yet to come if you position yourself early and with the right company, of course. Well, that's not as easy as it sounds, or is it? Maybe we can look at a company that really is a trailblazer in Bitcoin mining. I mean, you want to get into this now, not later. The global cryptocurrency market is set to grow at a CAGR, that's compound annual growth rate, of 32.35% over the next several years, from 2020 to 2027, according to Verified Market Research. That's huge growth. You're not going to find that in a whole lot of industries, but you will find that in cryptocurrency. And what about miners? They're making huge money. Look at the trajectory. Look at the angle of growth in the monthly miner revenue. That's according to Arcane Research. And what about the global green technology and sustainability market? I believe in green technology. You know, they talk about ESG, environmental, social, and governance. This is huge. Market forecast to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 26.6%. And so you have a convergence, a confluence of markets that are going to be, in my opinion, in growth mode for years to come. How can you capitalize on this? Yes, you can own cryptocurrency. Yes, you can invest in green technology as well. Yes, you can invest in the miners if you know where to go and if you know how to do it. Or you can get all of these in one if you can pinpoint the right technology and the right company. And I believe I found that company right here. It is called Neptune Digital Assets, and you can visit them at neptunedigitalassets.com. Now, what is this company? Well, it's one of the first public blockchain companies listed on the TSXV, that's the Canadian exchange, in 2018. That's right, they've been public since 2018. These are not newcomers. Revenues generated through staking, nodes, decentralized finance or DeFi, and recently announced green Bitcoin mining. I'm really a fan of this. This is combining everything we've talked about before: the green technology, the mining, the cryptocurrency, all the above, providing exposure to a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrency with compounding growth. And what about the assets? The popular ones, of course: Bitcoin, you might call it digital gold, but also Dash, Phantom, Cosmos, Atom, Litecoin, Ethereum. Yes, some popular ones, and maybe some that you haven't thought about but really should be. In any case, it's a diversified portfolio. It's not just the Bitcoin, it's not just the Litecoin or Ethereum. You've got multiple assets all in one company here. And strategic partnerships, okay? This is a company that launched Bitcoin mining in 2021 through a partnership with Link Global Technologies. 1,500 ASIC mining machines powered by natural gas. This is massive power in the Bitcoin mining industry. And I want to talk about power. Well, talk about hash rates then, scaling at 15 petahash increase per month. And at $55,000 Bitcoin, they can generate $20,000 USD per day. That's huge profits on a daily basis, and that's just if the Bitcoin price stays at 55,000. Personally, I have a tendency to believe that it could go up a lot more, and that could potentially increase the daily profits for Neptune Digital Assets. I want to talk about the future of Bitcoin mining. To me, it is green mining. A green mining facility 50-50 partnership with Link Global, developing an NFT for carbon credits, which they can sell. It's a brilliant, savvy business model as I see it. I want to talk about the board and management. The CEO and director, Cale Moody, $150 million raised. Dario Melli, the independent director, founder of Hootsuite. You've heard of that one. Very famous company. And Mitch Demeter, the independent director, president of Netcoins, a subsidiary of BIGG, a cryptocurrency exchange in Canada. This is an all-star executive management team and board at Neptune Digital Assets. And one thing I always look for, besides a top executive team, besides diversification of asset classes like we see here, I also want to know that there's a tight share structure, tight capital structure, and high liquidity. We're seeing that right here. Total shares outstanding, 92.8 million. They have options on it, and management and director ownership, 15%. That is confidence in the company when you've got the management and directors owning the shares. And liquidity, year to date, 150 million. High liquidity, as I mentioned, as of March 19, 2021. If you want to get involved with green mining, diversified asset portfolio, an executive and directorial team that is top-notch, and a company that is on the forefront of not just cryptocurrency, not just mining, but green mining, this is the one you want to check out. And as you can see on the bottom of the screen, you can get the stock if you're ready to jump into the trade here. On the TSXV exchange, ticker symbol NDA. On the OTC markets, NPPTF. On the FSE, it is 1NW. I also want you to visit NeptuneDigitalAssets.com. Make sure you check out the website, look at the investor presentation, learn about it for yourself, and then if you're ready to get into this company, if you're ready to get into the convergence of multiple, potentially hyper-growth markets, check out Neptune Digital Assets and NeptuneDigitalAssets.com. I'm going to keep on bringing you these opportunities, huge opportunities in the markets. My name's David Modell. I want to thank you for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.